Welcome to Prairie Beach. When you're passing by, you can stop and have a cool drink. Big up TeflonDon.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. I'm here accepting a challenge from no other than Humble Calm TV and the Francis family, the 40 question challenge. Guys, let's get right to it. Alright guys, the first question is, do I like blue cheese? Blue cheese, I never ate blue cheese before, so I have no answer for that. So I don't know if I like it because I never ate it before. Alright guys, the second question, do I like Coke or Pepsi? Well, Coke and Pepsi, you know, that's soda, so I don't really mess with soda too much. I rather juice. So no, I don't like Coke or Pepsi. Third question is, are you in a relationship? Yes, I am in a relationship. Yes, I am. Fourth question is, whiskey, tequila, or vodka? I don't like neither of them. Neither. I don't really like drinking that much neither. So you go. The fifth question is, hot dog or cheeseburger? Definitely cheeseburger. I love cheeseburgers. The sixth question is, favorite food. I don't have one favorite food, but I love oxtail and rice and peas, and I like seafood, Italian food, things like that. Alright. The seventh question is, what do I drink in the morning? I drink tea. The first thing I drink is tea with my breakfast. The eighth question is, can you do 100 push-ups? When I was younger, I could do 100 push-ups, but now, no way. I can do maybe like 20 straight. Yeah. The ninth question is, favorite season of the year? I think it's winter. You know, winter is my favorite season because I live in Jamaica, and sometimes, boy, when it get hot, you know, you can't do nothing about the heat. But when it get cool, like in the winter time, the weather is just cooler. It's just nice. It's still hot, but it's cool. You know, it's better when it's cooler. So I rather winter. Yeah, guys. I'm in a public space. Like I said, I'm at Prairie Beach. So there's some talking going on around me. So forgive me for the noise. The next question is, what's my favorite hobby? Well, my favorite hobby is sex. I'm just kidding. I like to watch movies and videos on YouTube. That's my favorite hobby. And the next one is, do I have any tattoos? Yes, I have a tattoo. I regret it. I wish I didn't get it. I'm telling you. The 13th question is, do I have any phobias? And I like spider and rat. I guess those are my two phobias. And the 14th question is, what's my nickname? My nickname is Joshua. It was given to me by my sister when I was younger. Joshua. She know why she gave me that name. I don't know why. My favorite candy used to be Snickers, but I don't mess with chocolate that much no more. So, well, I just stick with Snickers bar. That's my favorite snack, my favorite candy. The 16th question is, do I believe in ghosts? Yes, I do believe in ghosts. I believe in ghosts. That's my personal belief. I think ghosts are real. I believe in ghosts, yes. The 17th question is, what is your biggest downfall? Wow, my biggest downfall. I used to have a cable company. I used to run a cable company, and it closed down. Since that closed down, things have definitely changed in my life. So that's my biggest downfall. Next question is, rain or snow? I rather rain. I rather rain because rain is, rain is beautiful. I love seeing rain. It's just beautiful. Rain is just natural. It's part of life. So I love seeing rain. Snow, why? It just cool. And nothing real. When it get down real cold and you in snow, it's not pretty. It's not a pretty sight. So I hate snow. All right. Any piercings? Yes, I do have piercings. I have piercings in my ears. I had them from I was like around probably 18. Yeah. What's my age? My age. Well, I'm up there. I'm up there. My son is 22 years old, so make a guess. The next question is, French fries or onion rings? Well, I love French fries. I love French fries. I love onion rings, but I rather French fries. Next question is, the 22nd question is, how many kids do I have? I have 2 kids. I have a boy that's 22 and I have a daughter, she's 13.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also
My
press
favorite
this
color.
bell icon.
My favorite color. I think my favorite color is black, Yeah man, my favorite color is black. Can I sing? Boy, I can't sing it, but if I save my life, yes, I can sing then, but I can't sing right now. No, I can't sing. Can I whistle? Yes. Yeah, I can whistle. Where were you born? I was born in Jamaica. Beautiful country of Jamaica. Giving thanks every day that I was born in this country. Trust me, because I could be born in a lot worse places than this, but this is the most beautiful place I think on the face of the earth, Jamaica. So I was born in Jamaica and I'm so happy that I was born in Jamaica. Any siblings? Yes, I have siblings. I have brothers and sisters. The 28th question is, can I cook? Can I cook? Me can cook. Yeah man, I can cook, I can bake, I can do it all. Yeah man, I'm good with that. I'm good at that. The next question, can I swim? Yes, I can swim. Luckily my mom sent me to swimming lessons when I was like 12. So yes, I can swim. The next question is, am I religious? Yes, I am. I'm a Christian now. I grew up in a Christian church. Yes, I'm religious, yes. The 31st question is, shower or bathe? Shower all day. Shower all day. Because brother, the bathing thing, that's like back in the day when say you have to bathe in a bad pan and them thing. I never used to like them thing there. So shower, that's my favorite. The second question is, city or nature? Give me the country all day, nature all day. I'm a countryman from morning, and I'm a countryman all day, and I just love the country. Give me nature all day. I don't really like the city like that. I just go to the city just to shop and come right back to country. Countryman all day. The next question is, are you a good friend? Yeah, man, I'm a good friend. From you a good friend to me, I'm a good friend to you. So yes, I'm a good friend. Any broken bones? No, never had any broken bones. Thank God. How many TVs do you own? Alright, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 TVs, guys. 8 TVs. Worst pain ever. The worst pain ever. When I was a teenager, and me find out say the girlfriend that I love so much when I give me bun. So that's the worst pain ever, guys. Do I like to dance? Yes, I like to dance, guys. Yes. Do you like camping? Yes, I love camping. Camping is cool, especially with the family. Camping is nice. Are you weird? No, I'm not weird. I'm pretty cool. I'm a pretty chill guy, so I'm not weird. The last one is which 6 persons are you tagging to take part in this? Well, I think I'm gonna have to tag more than 6. Let me find them. I'm gonna tag more than 6, guys. Give me a second. Alright, I'm gonna tag, like I said, I'm gonna tag more than 6, guys. So I'm gonna tag to do the 40 question challenge. The first person I'm gonna tag is Alicia Kim, Big Rock Small Brits, The Life of Cleo, Team Gravely, Our Daily Juice, C Miller TV, Poppy Show JA, Jam Down My Views, Tia Mac Farsons, Shauna Lee, Mysterian, Nikki and LJ TV, Jamaican Things, Rico Vlogs, Life of Cleo, Crystals, and Brown Skin Maya. And I'm gonna tag the Gordons. So guys, I challenge you guys to do the 40 question challenge. So I'm looking out for those, guys. Yeah, guys, we reached to the end of the video. Guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, guys. I see you in the next one. Peace.